Hello, YouTube family. A very good afternoon here from Kapiri Mposhi. Today, I just want to show you something. In this video you're about to watch, I'm going to show you some of the things that we have done so far, so good with Fish Pond. There's good progress. And also, I want to show you one of our chickens that we put guinea fowl eggs for it to sit on, and it actually hatched guinea fowl chicks. And just a short tour, just a tour of the place. So if you can come with me, let's go. Let me just show you what's happening around. So stay tuned and enjoy your tour. I just want to say a very big thank you for watching this video. And if you like the video, give us a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you just leave a share, leave a comment over there, and to inspire me, you know. And also don't forget to press that bell icon, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you're tuning in for the very first time, I want to say a very big thank you to you. And if you are a subscriber already and you're returning to the channel, thank you for returning, and thank you for watching this video. There are many other videos you can watch on my channel that can inspire you and encourage you. Please find time, scroll through, and you will enjoy yourself. So it's Adios amigos, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.